SteamPlus New Zealand, conveyor belt steam cleaning with the Galaxy Steam Cleaner. In this test, we're using a light syrupy product, something that might be used as a glaze on top of bakery products or in other areas that require a light product. Notice it's going through the belt cleaner and nothing is coming out the other side. The belt at this point is completely dry and clean. In this test, we're using quite a thick substance, a jam type substance. We've rubbed it in the belt quite severely. Again, probably never get it to this point if the belts are kept clean, but it does show the power of the unit. It is coming out the other side, again, clean, dry, and ready to be used at any point. In this test, we're putting Marmite quite thickly onto the belt. Probably at some point you would never really get it this thick, but it does show the power of the belt. You can see how sticky and very hard to get off under normal circumstances with a lot of hot water. And the steam unit gets to the product at that side of the belt cleaner, and the vacuum picks it up on the other side. And as you notice, it's coming through just about clean. Because it was so thick, we're always going to have to rely on a second pass of the belt cleaner to get the rest of the product off. But this is not a problem, as most people would expect it to go around a few times anyway. In this test, we're using a chocolate, dairy milk chocolate, putting it on quite heavily so that it simulates what might possibly come up onto a belt in manufacturing. The steam has been turned on and the belt is now entering the steam side of the belt cleaner, and the vacuum is picking up the other side. And it is clean and dry at this point. Very good indication of how the power of the... In this test, we're putting a very thick chocolate marshmallow type product. It is being put on quite thick. Again, probably not getting to this point. It's a Cadbury's Pinky, so you know what the product is. And it goes through the steam unit. We will see some coming out of the other side, but this would be picked up on the second pass. In this test, we are heating a chocolate marshmallow Easter egg and spreading it across the belt, something that probably wouldn't happen in a normal situation, but it is extremely sticky and shows a good indication of what the belt does when it heads through the belt cleaner. This is now coming out the other side, completely dry and completely clean. Perfect to be using during processing, something that makes it a lot easier. Quick view of the Galaxy hooked up to the belt cleaner, which is working away there, and as you can see, most of the product is coming off in the first instance. We would expect something that this thick to be going through a few times to get it back to a perfectly clean belt, but it is doing an amazing job of getting a product that is up to half an inch thick in some cases. The machine has been turned on. At the beginning, you can see that it is cleaning the belt in the first pass right from the start of the belt moving. We can look around the corner. We've set it at this end, and you can see how much stuff is coming around there. That belt is now dry and ready for use again. If the machine was the full width, it would be taking it all away. Using a steam hose with a lance, one can clean equipment. As you can see, is got extra material built up along the edge of the cutting blades and on the front of the machine. Very quickly, it cleans and sanitizes the machine. Instead of using a lot of water to keep a piece of equipment like this clean, the steam will get rid of all of the very sticky product on those blades and the area without a lot of trouble. The steam hose and steam lances can be used in all of the areas that need to be cleaned around a conveyor system, underneath all of the gears, all of the chains, any areas that are extremely hard to clean. The steam system will make life a lot easier for people. As the steam is only 5 to 6% moisture content, it does not put a lot of water anywhere on the equipment, and in most cases that'll dry off and very quickly, and the unit will be back in production just about immediately. The belts that can't be cleaned with a belt cleaner, they can be also done with the steam lances, but you can see how clean that particular area is now. Visit us at steamplus.co.nz. Thank you.